Creating your happiness or the life that you want is not something that happens by accident. It's definitely something you have to plan and work towards. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I plan and organize my year, my life goals, and how I achieve them creating my own happiness with a journal that I created. If you're interested, keep watching. Welcome back! Now is one of the best times to reflect back on my past year, my life, and what I want next year to look like. I'm a huge believer in that you create your own happiness. Yes, it is possible to have all the things you want and be happy. I'm going to share with you how to have control over your life and your peace. I mean, sometimes you feel like if I do more of this, or if I get this, or if I have more money or get married, then I will be happy. But in reality, it doesn't really make you happy. You're just more stressed. Happiness is a subjective term. Like, for instance, when I read or hear my bio, I find it intimidating. I mean, I became a lawyer by the age of 25, I have 3 degrees. I mean, I could go on and on. But you cannot compare your life to other people's lives. You have to find what makes you happy. To help with the process, I've been working on my online store, and one product that I offer is a digital guide for creating your own happiness. You can find the link in my description box or in my pinned comments, or you could head over to shopangelgrace.com. This Creating Your Own Happiness Starter Kit is a 29-page digital file. It's a printable PDF, which you can download, print out, and write on. It has plenty of space and easy instructions and guides to help lead you. I made this guide and workbook because I've been doing this for years. I would not be where I am if I was not goal setting and journalizing and having the tools to structure my life. This tool has helped me create a life that I love. It's all about having a plan, journaling it, and following through. So now, the end of the year is the perfect time to go through this process that I like to go through. However, you can use the starter kit at any time during the year. I just like to do it at December heading into the new year, so I can start January with fresh goals. Okay, so let's talk about the process and how I plan. The first thing you have to do is define happiness to you. For instance, what areas in your life do you feel like you haven't done a good job, or maybe need more accountability, or what areas are bringing you unhappiness? Like, for instance, if you're in the process of going bankrupt, your area would probably be finances, to relieve the stress of finances. If you're on the brink of divorce, then yours may be family or relationship focus. It could be faith, family, work, etc. But you need to score each of these areas of your life. Until you go through this process, it will be hard to pinpoint what will create your happiness. Seeing it on paper is where you start. Remember, what makes me happy may not make you happy, so you have to figure out what makes you happy. That's what's so cool about this process, is because it's completely personalized and customized to you. The next thing I like to do is complete a life audit. And a life audit is a personal reflection exercise. What worked well, what didn't work, what needs improvement, what you want your life to look like. It will help you get a clear idea of how you feel about life right now. After that, it's all about creating a plan and setting it into action. So you're going to take all of your ideas from the previous steps and create an action plan. You're going to create your goals and how to achieve those goals. Because let's face it, setting a goal is easy, but making the goal happen is a lot harder. So keep your goals as simple as possible and break them down. Again, you want to create these goals that are going to help you to feel a certain way, to help you feel happy, to help you feel relieved, whether it's relief financially, relief emotionally, and with your friendships or relationships. It's all about giving you that feeling of what's going to make you happy. After that, it's all about following up and reviewing and tracking your progress and seeing how you're doing, and then looking at your strategies going forward. And that's how I plan my life, and I focus on creating my own happiness. If you enjoyed this video and would like to get a copy of the Guide and Starter Kit for yourself, you can find it in the pinned comments in my description, or again at my website, shopangelgrace.com. And if you do decide to get it, I highly recommend going ahead and print it out and getting started right away. Planning is so exciting and giving your life direction is so refreshing. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video.